2.5 days old, cockatiel baby is. Two and a half days old. Today is the first day that he succeeded in sitting up, keeping his head up. I mean, not on the ground for any length of time. I bet by tomorrow he'll be getting pretty good at it sometime. Or the next day, he'll be pretty good at that. Well, anyhow, 2.5 days old, and that's the baby. I just fed him. My little mama. My little mama, he's the baby back there. That baby. Little mama. Little mama. Little mama. Little mama. You see so? You see so? Oh, yeah, there's your so. Yeah, that's you. Yeah. Who's that right there? You like to see the baby. Yeah, he like to see the baby. He like to smell the baby. He like to smell the baby. And so does this guy. Okay.